Okay. Trade recap today. October 16th, I made I think like 900 bucks, 800 bucks. Coming into the market today, I was kind of bearish. But it really just depended on what played out first. So we had previous day high here, which was an incredibly stacked level. We had like 5 highs right here, sitting at kind of a ledge, and then we had a single print above that I didn't have marked out at the time, but it was literally I think at 120, so 5 points higher. So I either wanted to see this get taken out, or we had this news low down here at the 20s with a bunch of zero prints. So I wanted to see those get filled in. And it was really just whatever happened first. As you can see, I like the idea of YDH being taken and then traveling down to the data low, or taking the data low and then coming up to yesterday's high. So it was just whatever happened first. And obviously here's the trade that I took. I entered around, I think that was 70, 74, 75 is where I entered. And you can see 827 bucks on the XFA. So essentially, but this literally just looks like an inverse fair value gap, which is pretty much what it was, except it was backed by data on the order flow. So as you can see, this level, we took the high, and then we had very little delta up here. And I missed an entry. You could have gotten entry up here at like the 17s. There was some nice absorption up here as soon as we took the single print, but I didn't care for that because I wanted to see some more confirmation. So we come down, we retest the high, we get this large lot, this large passive seller hits the offer, and then you can see, I guess hits the bid. And you can see he steps in. I could have taken my entry right here. I would have gotten a very nice fill. I think this was at like the 110, so I would have gotten a very nice fill right here. But I waited for this 1 minute candle right here. As you can see, a nice continuation setup. We have a bunch of stacked imbalances. We have buy side imbalance up here, which is a good sign that these buyers are trapped, so that they have to cover their position. So that's going to result in more short selling. And you can see down here the delta, 487 negative delta. So I took my entry right around here at this POC. As soon as this, I didn't wait for the candle to close because we had so much selling pressure. I went break even right here at the value area high because we had a little bit of absorption. So I went break even, and then I didn't hold it all the way down to the data low because we were getting some absorption down here. So I just took profits. You know, I'd rather make money than be stopped out, but it eventually took like 30 minutes to hit the data low. So it was a good thing I killed the trade. But yes, it was a good setup today. Obviously, this was all called out in the Discord. If you want to join, it's free to join. This is all free information.